Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to attempt to make Dalgona chocolate without sugar. I'm just going to use chocolate drink powder instead of Milo or coffee, since I don't drink coffee and I don't have any Milo with me. I don't have a whisk or mixer, so I'm just going to use whatever I could find in the kitchen. While you see me stirring, here's the original recipe of Dalgona coffee. Let's stir for 400 times and see how it turns out. It's still very watery. I think we might need to stir even more longer. The mixture thickens after 800 times of stirring, but it is still not enough. Let's stir more. After 2000 times, it's just a little bit more stickier. Let's continue. Okay, I'm starting to give up. I'm going to stop at 4000 times, that's enough. Looks like it's chocolate syrup instead of whipped chocolate. It's not floating, obviously it's not working. I guess I'll just have chocolate milk instead. Apparently, sugar is a must. The theory is similar to making meringue. I'm not going to redo it. This is extremely sweet for me even though I've diluted it with 200 ml of milk. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you in my next episode. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on my Instagram and Facebook at LoveBellBell. Till then, see you and take care.